Let's talk about this lotion. Ṣé rí gbà mí wà tó jẹ́ pé kò ń ṣe pé kí nǹkan wọ́n, òun ni kò ṣiṣẹ́. So if you are seeing some products very costly, don't think that it's because of their cost price that it will definitely work for you. And if you are seeing some products as affordable as anything, ẹ má fi pé sọ pé ó ti cheap kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. Ṣé rí product yìí? Before me talking about this, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ search ẹ̀. This is Nature Magic. Yes, maxitone complexion milk. Clear, smooth and moisturized with sunscreen protection. Before me coming out to talk about this particular product in my hand, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ go and make your own research. Go and search about this product. Ṣé rí product tí mo dì mú yìí? Atakere ọdún ni, very cheap. If you're looking for a cheap product, so ẹ má fi pé bóyá èèyàn dúdú ló lè lò, èèyàn dúdú nìkan ló lè lò, èèyàn dúdú nìkan ló lè lò, èèyàn pupa ò lè lò, èèyàn dúdú lè lò, èèyàn pupa lè lò, depending on your skin, and it's not for all skin type. If you're having a sensitive skin, mo máa ní kẹ́ ẹ lò papọ̀ mọ́ oil yín kó má bàa máa fún yín ní white patches and holes. Ṣé rí bó ṣe wà yìí? Bó ṣe wà yìí? Ṣé ti rí? Òórùn ẹ̀ mad. Òórùn ẹ̀. Àwọn cream tẹ máa lò tó máa bi yín léèrè pé ṣé ẹ lo perfume wọn ni? Òun làwọn cream yìí. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò ní fún yín lófo. I won't come here to give you fake or to give you fake news. But before me saying, I'm still coming back on this particular product before I can tell you more about this product. But I want you to know that it's moisturized, it smooths the skin, moisturize the skin. You understand what I'm saying? Tẹ́lómi bá lò ó máa tone ẹ̀. Tẹ́lómi bá dẹ̀ lò ó máa fún ní that rime complexion. Tẹ́lómi bá dẹ̀ lò ó máa ṣe kí ni? Ó máa moisturize dáadáa. So kò sẹ́ni tó lò ó tí ò moisturize, but lára ẹlòmíì ó máa ṣiṣẹ́ 3 in 1. Ó máa tone, ó máa moisturize, ó tún máa jẹ́ kí skin yín kó smooth. Ṣé you understand? So if you are looking for that affordable cream to use, tó owó ẹ̀ ò wọ́n rárá, tí owó ẹ̀ ò wọ́n rárá àti rárá, ẹ wá bá mi grab this lotion and thank me later. Thank you all. See you in my next video.